Topic 2. What qualifies as trademark? So, when we talk about trademark, it is a loose term. You have different types of mark. It's a trademark, it's a service mark, it could be a collective mark, and it could be a certification mark. And then there are domain names. So, any company is engaged in the trading of products. They are selling products. Then they get trademark protection. But what happens if they are giving services like a hotel chain? Then they get a service mark. You have a collective mark. Think of Tata Group. They have so many companies, and all companies come under one umbrella. So they call it as Tata Group of companies. And then the T logo which they have designed, it is a common collective mark which can be used by any Tata Group company. You will always see some signs like ISI, EggMark, CE, which is about environmental uh, friendliness of electronic products. So you will see different marks on the product, and these are the certification marks which can be issued by a authorized agency only, and it can be used by any other company under the agreement. So you will see that, and you will see sometimes the products are also packaged in a unique way. You must have seen paper boat, a very unique packing for a fruit juice. So this also is known as trade dressing, a unique way to present a product. So trade dressing is also a trademark protection. So what is a trademark then? It is a name or combination of words. Right? Now, when we looked at copyright, we said that combination of words cannot be copyright protected, but they could be trademark protected. So you can have combination of names. If I think about print media, this name can be printed with a specific font and specific color. If I'm showing it in a TV commercial, it can have a, a color, a name, and also some action associated with it, some slogan or some sound. So that is where a name with color, a name with sound, all will create a trademark. The companies will take efforts to make it more distinctive. So they will add color to it, they will add sound to it, and even companies have gone to even protect perfume of specific fragrance as their trademark. So let us see what is a trademark. So here we see a trademark for Patanjali. Patanjali is a product company, so they get trademark protection. Air India is a service company, so they get service mark, which is Air India. Tata Group, we saw collective mark is Tata Group T. ISI certification mark, a symbols which is signifying a quality of a product. Domain name, very very important in today's business where most of the business is moving virtual. So domain name, which will be very very important here, mygov.in. So it is my government in India. So this is where it is a trademark which is coming under domain name and trade dressing. Now these are the different aspects. Even I can have a three-dimensional logo, I can have a monogram, and I can have, as I said, a device, a fancy device can also qualify as a trademark. So important part about trademark is it must be distinctive, and it should let customers select group goods and services without confusion. If these are the two criteria which are made, we can say that it is a trademark. Still, there is more to that. So let us go to next topic. What exactly is trademark? So it is a very interesting point. What exactly is